Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 15.
Today we're talking about learning and improving.
Yes, because everyone wants to get better at English.
And today, Ben made a mistake.
A big mistake.
I said she go instead of she goes.
Then that's not a mistake, that's a crime.
Okay.
Imagine this. You study English,
You practice,
but you still make mistakes.
and you feel frustrated.
But guess what?
Mistakes are part of learning.
Quick question. What do you do to improve your English?
Think about it.
Today, you will learn vocabulary for studying and improving.
Words like practice, mistake, repeat, and goal.
You'll learn how to talk about progress.
And you'll learn how to stay motivated.
Let's begin.
Emma, I feel sad.
Why? What happened?
I made a mistake in English today.
Only one? That's amazing.
Emma,
What mistake did you make?
I said she go to school.
Ah, yes, it should be she goes.
I know, I always make that mistake.
Then mistakes are normal.
But I want to improve fast.
Then you need to practice every day.
Practice every day.
Yes, step by step.
But sometimes I don't understand listening.
Then you should listen more.
Like podcasts?
Yes, or our YouTube lessons.
Good answer.
Also, you should repeat key sentences.
Repeat again and again.
Yes, repetition helps pronunciation.
My pronunciation is not good.
It's okay, just speak more.
I feel shy.
Don't worry, speak anyway.
I also forget vocabulary.
Then you need to review.
Review, like flashcards.
Yes, and use new words in sentences.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It is, but you will make progress.
Progress, little by little.
Exactly. That's how learning works.
So what is your goal right now?
My goal is to learn 10 new words this week.
That's a good goal.
What about you?
My goal is to stop making mistakes.
Then you will always make some mistakes.
Oh no.
But you will improve.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Learning is a journey.
Like our 40 episodes.
Exactly. Now, let's learn the key vocabulary. Word 1. Practice.
Meaning, do something again and again to get better.
Example, I practice English every day.
Your turn. Say, I practice.
Word 2. Improve.
Meaning, get better.
Example, I want to improve my speaking.
Your turn. Say, I want to improve.
Word 3. Mistake.
Meaning, something wrong.
Example, I made a mistake.
Your turn. Say, I made a mistake.
Word 4. Repeat.
Meaning, say or do again.
Example, repeat after me.
Your turn. Say, repeat.
Word 5. Listen.
Meaning, hear carefully.
Example, I listen to English videos.
Your turn. Say, I listen.
Word 6. Understand.
Meaning, know the meaning.
Example, I understand this lesson.
Your turn. Say, I understand.
Word 7. Speak.
Meaning, speak in English.
Example, I speak English with friends.
Your turn. Say, I speak English.
Word 8. Pronunciation.
Meaning, how you say words.
Example, My pronunciation is improving.
Your turn. Say pronunciation.
Word 9, vocabulary.
Meaning words you know.
Example, I learn new vocabulary.
Your turn. Say vocabulary.
Word 10, remember.
Meaning not forget.
Example, I remember new words.
Your turn. Say I remember.
Word 11, review.
Meaning study again.
Example, I review my notes.
Your turn. Say review.
Word 12, goal.
Meaning something you want to achieve.
Example, my goal is to speak fluently.
Your turn. Say my goal is.
Today's grammar focus is using want to and need to for learning goals.
Pattern 1. I want to. Example, I want to improve my English.
Pattern 2, I need to. Example, I need to practice every day.
5 examples.
1. I want to speak better.
2. I want to understand more.
3. I need to repeat sentences.
4. I need to review vocabulary.
5. I want to reach my goal.
2 common mistakes. Mistake 1. I want improve.
Correction, I want to improve.
Mistake 2. I need practice.
Correction, I need to practice.
Sentence 1. I want to improve.
Slow. I want to improve.
Medium. I want to improve.
Natural. I want to improve.
Sentence 2. I made a mistake.
Slow. I made a mistake.
Medium. I made a mistake.
Natural. I made a mistake.
Sentence 3. Practice every day.
Slow. Practice every day.
Medium. Practice every day.
Natural. Practice every day.
Sentence 4. Repeat after me.
Slow. Repeat after me.
Medium. Repeat after me.
Natural. Repeat after me.
Sentence 5. I need to review.
Slow. I need to review.
Medium. I need to review.
Natural. I need to review.
Sentence 6. My goal is fluency.
Slow. My goal is fluency.
Medium. My goal is fluency.
Natural. My goal is fluency.
Sentence 7. Don't worry about mistakes.
Slow. Don't worry about mistakes.
Medium. Don't worry about mistakes.
Natural. Don't worry about mistakes.
Sentence 8. You will make progress.
Slow. You will make progress.
Medium. You will make progress.
Natural. You'll make progress.
Your turn. Answer after the pause. What do you want to improve?
Sample. I want to improve my speaking.
What do you need to do every day?
Sample. I need to practice.
Say one learning goal.
Sample. My goal is to learn vocabulary.
Do you make mistakes?
Sample. Yes, but I learned from them.
What do you review?
Sample. I review my notes.
Question 1. What does practice mean?
Answer. Do something again and again.
Question 2. Complete I want blank improve.
Answer. 2.
Question 3. What is vocabulary?
Answer. Words you know.
Question 4. What does review mean?
Answer. Study again.
Question 5. What is a goal?
Answer. Something you want to achieve.
Your mission today. Set one English goal.
Say, my goal is to.
Then record yourself saying, I want to improve.
I need to practice.
Mistakes help me learn.
Say it slow, medium, natural.
Great job today.
You finished episode 15.
Now you're ready for the B1 stage.
Episode 16 will be about small talk, and Ben will say something very awkward.
Ben always does. See you next time.
Take care.